See here, this is what we have been listened up to now. Okay, this is one 50 kilowatt peak grid connected inverter. This is the next 50 kilowatt grid connected inverter. This is one more 50 kilowatt grid connected inverter. I had already told in the class we are going to have how many number of arrays. This is array 1, array 2, array 3, array 4. These are connected in series. This is one segment. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. This is another segment. So these are connected in series connection. All of this, each segment or each array is connected, string is connected in series connection, and all these 8 strings are once again connected in parallel inside. Okay, they are connected in parallel. Therefore 703 into what is the current carried by the individual string? 8.66 into 8 amperes current. Okay, therefore all will be connected, and here it is showing the status. Today date is 1st February 2024, and what is the status of this grid? On grid. It is connected to the Vidyanagar grid. Okay, it is connected to grid, and this comes under on grid solar PV systems, and is also called which type of system? Centralized PV systems. So today it has been generated, E today means energy generated today is 162 kilowatt hour. How much? 162 kilowatt hour. So what is kilowatt hour? 1000, I mean 1000 watts of power consumed in 1 hour is called as 1 kilowatt. So today it has been developed how many units? 162 kilowatt hour. And what is the total input power and output power also it will display. The status is on grid. The power what it is going to generate is how much? 23 kilowatts. Since it is evening 4 o'clock, so rather than generating 50 kilowatts, how much it is generating? 20 kilowatt. So you can go inside and you can see the status, meter, log, energy log, and event log, and inverter information. Okay, so like this you can see all the data. If you are going into meter log, it will show. So what is the type of output? AC output. AC, this is line 1, line 2, line 3. So this is nothing but the AC output. This is nothing but the AC input. This is nothing but the AC output. So here we are having the voltage. What is the 3-phase AC voltage? 416 volts. So line 2, 420 volts. Line 3, 415 volts. What is the current in each phase, like R, Y, B? This is R, this is Y, this is B. R is carrying a current of 30 amperes. Y is carrying a current of 30 amperes. B is carrying a current of 30 amperes. And they are generating a power of 7 kilowatt, 7 kilowatt, and 7. Now it is generating how much amount of watts? Around 20 kilowatts. Actual capacity is how much? 20. What is the total capacity of this system? 50 kilowatts. Since it is evening 4 o'clock, it is generating only 20 kilowatts. And today it has generated how many units? 160 units. The same inverter here also is generating 150 units. This third inverter is also generating 150 units. Already we calculated the analysis. This is 150 plus 150 plus 150. Total is so much? 450 units has been generated by till the date or till the date and time as 3:30. So solar will be available till evening 6 o'clock. So how much is generated now? Till date 450 units already generated, and it has been exported to our college as well as to the grid. So what is the original capacity it has to generate? 750. How much it has to generate today? 450 already generated. What is the remaining it has to generate now? 300. Okay, so that it will generate within 6 o'clock, or maximum it will generate only 600 or 700. Today we are not having much illumination, that's why the generating power is lower. The same if you do at the summer time, you will get the original 750. So this is AC output of inverter 1, inverter 2, inverter 3. So this is in on condition, on. That's why power is going to our campus. Whatever the, for example, this already generated 450. Let's assume that we consume how many units? 400 units. Where the 50 units is there? It's already exported to Chendodu grid. Okay, so it is indicating that all the three phases are exported, and this system now is in live. You should not touch of this wires. That's why it is written as a danger 450 volts, don't touch. Here also the equipment you should not touch. This is called the control panel, and these are called the air circuit breakers or changeovers for each phase. So you can see which phase has to turn on and off. Okay, for example, you need to take only this, you can make it in on, or if you want to turn off, you can turn off it. Okay, so either you can use 3 inverters or you can use each individual inverter. Generally this is a grid connected system. Maximum we will generate and we will send to the grid. We will not stop generating power. So, and we have an LAN connected system. Through this LAN connected system, we will see this data in cloud. Okay, in our, you can sit in our cabin and I can say how much power is generated by first inverter, second inverter and third inverter, and you can make this inverter on and off by using this internet system. This connected to the cloud. If you have a cloud platform, you can access the amount of power generated. This is the practical with system, grid connected system, and these are manufactured by Delta inverters. Okay, so like this you have 50 kilowatt, 50 kilowatt and 50 kilowatt. Totally so much? 150 kilowatt is the rating of the inverters, and these are all the DC inputs and this is the AC output. Here we have been connected to our campus. Okay, so this is the importance of skill oriented course what we have. Do you feel that this skill oriented course is useful to you or not? So if you learn this skill oriented course, you can improve your skills. Where we don't have this course anywhere in Andhra Pradesh, we have this course especially only in NBKR, and we have a theoretical analysis and we have an practical analysis. After this, you will be a ready electrical engineer to develop a solar plant of your own. So this is the importance of this subject. Okay,